Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see distance between 2 points in Google Maps. So, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Google Maps application into your device. And now from here, guys, you could just simply select a location that you want to measure. So guys, let's say I'm gonna go for this location over here, Quiling Norte. And now just simply use this tab over here and open it up. And from here, you should be able to see down below measure distance. So you can just simply select that. And from here, as you can see, we have our starting point over here. And we could just simply check the distance of this location over here and click on add point and plus button. And after that, you could just simply select another one and select add point. And you could just simply select another one and add point. And you could just simply keep going to measure it up. Now, another method that you have is just simply go ahead and select a first location. Let's say I'm going to go for this abstract MC track and select directions. And from here, I'm going to choose a starting location and I'm going to select choose on map. And let's say the starting location will be right over here and click on OK. And from here, guys, as you can see, it will be 6.8 kilometer. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.